I honestly thought I was falling behind everyone else online. Every time I opened YouTube, there was another strategy, another course, another tool, another person saying, "This is the fastest way to make money online." And honestly, my brain started feeling exhausted. I would start learning one thing, then immediately feel like I was already doing it wrong. That cycle repeated constantly. I kept switching ideas, switching systems, switching directions, and after a while, I stopped trusting myself completely. That's the part I think most beginners never talk about enough. People don't fail because they're lazy. Most people fail because they become overwhelmed before they ever build momentum. There's simply too much information online now. Too many opinions, too many tools, too many people pretending everything is easy. And honestly, that pressure makes beginners freeze. That's exactly what happened to me. I thought I needed more motivation, more discipline, more productivity. But the real thing I needed was less confusion. That's when AI finally started helping me differently. Instead of trying to replace me, it started helping organize my thinking. Now I use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, organize product outlines, simplify content creation, structure video ideas, reduce mental overload, and then I use Canva to actually build the products. Ebooks, guides, lead magnets, templates, simple digital products. What changed everything for me wasn't working harder, it was simplifying the process enough that my brain could finally focus again. And honestly, that's why simple systems matter so much for beginners. Because overwhelmed people do not need more complexity, more pressure, more information. They need clarity, structure, momentum. That's why I think so many people stay stuck online for years. They keep consuming instead of simplifying. And honestly, you do not need to become an expert overnight. You just need one clear direction, one finished project, one simple workflow. Momentum changes people faster than motivation ever will. If you've been feeling mentally exhausted trying to build online, start smaller than you think, simplify more than you think, and stop trying to learn everything at once. What part of online business overwhelms you the most right now?